Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 1970 Challenger. This comes from John in San Francisco, California. John's requested the modern FM conversion with Bluetooth and USB, and he's also requested my super cool little master input-output box. This has all four of your preamp outputs, a sub output, and your aux inputs all in one convenient location there. Easier to get to than trying to reach the back of the radio after the fact. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, and while the AM is playing talk radio, I'll demonstrate the balance and virtual fader and all that stuff so that we don't get nailed for copyright issues. So let's go ahead and turn it on to AM.
Live.
Okay, there's our AM radio. Yeah, so now turn our balance right, balance left, right. Say something. Left, ready, we're center them. Okay, and we now also have a virtual front rear fader is in the tone control. So let's try that.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now our tone control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance.
Hope all is well with you.
Okay, I'm going to center that.
18 Prager 776. My tweet.
Fader.
Fader is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, you can hear that. Let's make sure that the USB plays my radio commercial.
Now, a group of investment firms that Americans.
Okay, so we know that works. Let's turn our tone back up. Okay, now we're going to go to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about a half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area, so we can get through this quickly.
That is used for research and vaccine.
Alrighty, let's go back to AM so we don't get that little irritating copyright thing. Let's try the 8-track.
If you're feeling low down, 'cause your baby left town, it's where our friendship ends. Our ear, circulate. Don't you ever call her that girl again.
Okay, now to eject the tape, we just pull on the plunger and it loosens the tape so you can grab onto it. And that concludes the test. Let's make sure the dial light comes on and up, and it does, so we're good there. And she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next video, probably. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website that's in the description below. And if you download and print a work order, which you have to do anyway when you send your unit in, that will tell you all my prices and options, including options for turn times. So that saves me about 15 minutes on the phone. It allows me to put the top quality workmanship into your unit when it comes. So please do visit my website and have a work order in your hand before calling me with questions. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, John, for your business from San Francisco, and we'll see you all next time.